My video is about getting rid of the ransomware that is called Baal. This Baal is a ransomware that is the part of the Chaos ransomware family. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I'll just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data can be opened easily without any troubles. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Baal ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. So then very soon users realize that they cannot use their data anymore because of this particular Baal ransomware. So now you can see the consequences of the ransomware attack. You try to open this specific file and you get a message saying that it's not possible to open these files. The ransomware actually adds a random for symbol extension to the file names. The ransomware also changes the desktop background, mentioning that the system is infected with Baal ransomware. Now, the ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but you should not pay the ransom. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. So don't pay that ransom. We recommend you to immediately remove this horrible ransomware. We suggest that you use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. To download it, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be modified by this ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and then the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection of any malware. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the program begins scanning, researching and investigating the system. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. You need to wait some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully accomplished. And then at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact location on the system. Please consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected.